If you're in the market for a luxurious and spacious RV, a Class A motorhome should be at the top of your list. These impressive vehicles are designed with comfort and style in mind, making them the perfect choice for long road trips, family vacations, or even full-time living. And to help you choose your best suit, here's our video on the 5 luxurious Class A motorhomes you must see. We'll be starting with this Vario Perfect Platinum, also known as the Land Yacht, which is a luxurious Class A motorhome that offers a truly unique and customizable experience. This RV is designed with 100% planning freedom in mind, allowing you to tailor every aspect of the vehicle to your personal preferences. As you step inside, you're struck by the spacious interior and the beautiful design elements throughout the vehicle. The bent art design, walnut precious wood, and sanding varnish white give the interior a regal and elegant feel. The lounge area is outfitted in thick leather upholstery and a separate dinette, perfect for sharing a meal or playing a game with your family. But the Vario Perfect Platinum isn't just beautiful, it's also functional. The slide-out sections allow you to expand the living area even further, while the car garage storage area at the rear is a convenient feature for those who want to bring their vehicle along on their travels. And when it's time to freshen up, the full bathroom has everything you need to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. As you settle in for the night, you can't help but feel grateful for the luxurious home on wheels that you've chosen for your travels. Next, this Winnebago Forza is a Class A motorhome that offers all the comforts of home, even when you're far away from it. Designed for versatility and comfort, the Forza boasts more flexible sleeping and seating spaces than ever before, allowing you to create a comfortable environment no matter where your adventures take you. Forza is built on a sturdy Freightliner XCS chassis and features Winnebago's exclusive steel superstructure, providing a smooth ride and up to 228 cubic feet of exterior storage, secured with new rotary-style latches. Inside, you can choose between 3 spacious floor plans, each with up to 3 slide-outs and 2 bathrooms, offering ample room for extended journeys. The living areas are designed with comfort in mind, with plenty of space to relax and unwind after a day of exploring. The interior storage options are also abundant, allowing you to bring everything you need for your travels. And with a new standard king bed, optional king bed, and optional studio loft bed up front, the Forza comfortably accommodates up to 8 overnight guests. Overall, the Winnebago Forza is a luxurious and versatile Class A motorhome that's perfect for extended journeys or full-time living. The holiday Rambler Nautica is a stunning Class A motorhome that's designed to provide you with a luxurious travel experience. The Nautica is built on a standard Freightliner Custom XCR chassis with brake sync and tire pressure monitoring, allowing you to travel with ease and peace of mind. One of the most impressive features of the Nautica is its V-Ride Enhanced Stability System, which makes even the wildest turns a breeze. Inside the Nautica, you'll find a range of high-end features that are designed to spoil you on the road. dual fireplaces, Jack and Jill bathrooms, and a kitchen pantry are just a few of the interior features that you can enjoy. Additionally, the Nautica comes in multiple floor plans, allowing you to choose the layout that best suits your needs. The Nautica also boasts a spacious and comfortable king-size bed, allowing you to get a great night's sleep no matter where you are. And with a full washroom, you can enjoy all the comforts of home while on the road. Fleetwood RV Discovery is another luxury RV model that is highly sought after by travelers around the world. It comes with a powerful 360 horsepower engine, which provides excellent performance on the road. The RV is built on a Freightliner custom chassis and has a 10,000-pound towing capacity, making it an ideal vehicle for long road trips. Discovery comes in 4 different floor plans, each designed to meet the specific needs of different travelers. AC ducts have been improved to keep the vehicle cooler during the hot summer travel season, ensuring your comfort on the road. The RV also features Apex custom furniture, as well as name brand kitchen and laundry appliances that users know and love, making it feel like a home away from home. The AquaHot 400D system provides unlimited hot water and comfortable heat, ensuring that you can stay cozy and comfortable no matter where your travels take you. And for a restful night's sleep, the Discovery boasts an articulating king-size bed, ensuring that you wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. The American Eagle 45K is the gold standard for RV travel, designed by American Coach to provide travelers with the ultimate luxury experience on the road. It's powered by a Cummins ISX-15 605 horsepower engine and an Allison 4000 series 6-speed transmission, ensuring that you can tackle any terrain with ease. The interior of the American Eagle 45K is truly stunning, with a range of decor options to choose from that can transform your RV into a resort on wheels. The RV comes in 3 floor plan options and 4 cabinetry options, providing ample flexibility for customization. The kitchen of the American Eagle 45K boasts a wine cooler, while luxury features like Blanco sinks, Cambria quartz countertops, high-end appliances, and elegant flooring and fabrics make the RV feel like a home away from home. Overall, the American Eagle 45K is the perfect RV for those who want to experience the very best in luxury travel. With its powerful engine, comfortable seats, and stunning interior, this RV is sure to exceed your expectations and provide you with an unforgettable travel experience. Okay, that was our second video on 5 luxurious Class A motorhomes you must see. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.